Hey guys, what's up? I am Naomi Rodriguez. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Franchel Studios. If you haven't subscribed already, go hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Let's dive into the video. Although I haven't done a video during the workshop, I thought I'll walk you through my experience as a model coordinator slash manager. Bear in mind that I've never attended a photography workshop, much less a fashion photography workshop. The organizer is supposedly a much loved photographer in the South. He approached me to provide him with a model, and I agreed as long as we both get paid. We reached the venue 10 minutes before our time, and I was glad about it. But his makeup artist was a bit slow on his part, and his explanation to that was that he loved doing the minute details on the model's face so that it isn't much of a hassle for us photographers in post production. So then, when one model's face was done, she went for the first session, and in the meantime, my model's face and hair was being done. The photos that you see in this video is
I'll be
all
adding the
my
photos
photography.
and to
I hope you like it.
yeah, nice.
This was what I experienced for the first time. Let me know
Nice.
your stories on your first time, be it as a model or as a photographer. We all learn things I learned from you, some things you learn from me. So guys, if you learned anything from my experience,
Look in camera.
you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, keep smiling, stay safe, stay indoors.